the paper, we're still simplifying expressions. We're still simplifying expressions. But now we're going to be using distributive property. All right, and we got one step to do. The steps for using distributive property. Step one is to remove the parentheses. Remove the parentheses. All right. Now, the way you remove the parentheses is multiply the term on the outside of the parentheses whatever's on the outside. It could be in the front, because if your mama catch you doing it, you're going to get a whooping. And if she find out she did it, you're going to still get a whooping. So I can see you on the front or on the back. So you multiply the term on the outside of the parentheses by every term on the inside of the parentheses. That's it. This is distributive property. P stands for parent. P stands for parent. And in parentheses, these are your kids. If they do something they ain't got no business, you are supposed to, by law, biblical law, whoop all of them. Especially in math. You're supposed to whoop kid 1, kid 2. Now, if they happy, it's positive. Even if they sad while you whooping them, you got to whoop all of them. Okay? Now, and if you do not, that'll be breaking the law. For instance, 6 times 2p squared minus 3x squared minus 5. All right? In this expression, who is the parent? 6 is the parent. How many kids does she have? She got 3. And she got to whoop every one of them. This is how it looks like. This is how you're going to show me your work. You're going to write the parent, and then you're going to multiply the first child. So put it in parentheses. There we go. All right? Now, do you stop whooping here? No. You also got to be the parent and whoop. What's the other child? Is it happy or sad? What is it? It's a negative. It's sad. So 3x squared. So you got to get it too. Are you done whooping for today? No. You are not until everybody gets some. 6. And was this child happy or sad? Sad. Yeah, who knows why I'm calling the child sad? It's negative. All right? It don't matter. Everybody get this whooping. Now, so to show me your steps, you are multiplying each child by the parent term. Here we go. When you multiply, you only multiply the coefficients or constants, though. So you only multiply 6 times 2. Somebody smart, what is that? 12. And what kind of clothes they had on? P squared. You got to tell me the clothes. You got to be exact with it now. All right? What's the next child? All right, who you whooping now? 6 times what? Say it right. Negative 3, which is what? Negative 18. And what kind of clothes he had on? X. There you go. And the last child? which is negative 30. And it just had on the regular clothes, right? It had on the regular shirt. Now, if you notice, I didn't put plus between anything because I already had a negative right there. And negative and minus mean the same thing. But if you want to put a plus between it, you can. Let's do one more. I'm going to move this to the side. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can't. Because if I say combine it like terms, what do you notice about p squared, x squared, and 30? They're not like terms. So you got to stop. All right? You got to stop. There's nothing else you can do. I'm glad you asked that. All right? So let me move this problem. All right, here we go. In this problem right here, who's the parent? Negative 4. Unhappy parent, right? How many kids we got? We got 3, right? They triplets, and they all weighing something different. So you couldn't put them together in here. So you ain't gonna put them together at the end. They're gonna stay 3 separate cheeks, 3 separate, they ain't say cheeks, 3 separate children. All right, here we go. We got negative 4. What's the first child? What's the first child? 8R. All right, what we gotta do now? Negative 4 again, because we still unhappy now. Times what? What we whooping? Negative 3s. Now what? Are we done? Negative 4 again. You got to be on everybody. Negative 4 and who we whooping? Say it. Who is it? Negative 5. This how I want you to show you work, John. I know you're on your phone, man, but I'm scared you're going to flunk this test if you stay on your phone. I'm scared. I'm going to be real with you. I'm scared. I'm scared, man. I'm going to be real with you. All right, now, here we go. We only multiply the negative 4 and the 8. What we get? Negative 32. What they wearing? You cannot forget the letter. They triplets. You got to be able to know the difference between them. And that's by the clothes they got on. All right? What's the next one? Positive 12. But what they wearing? All right, but what sign you going to put right there? It can't be negative as a positive 12. What you going to put? Addition. See what I'm saying? Put addition in there. All right, what's the last? After the last, what we got? 20. And what sign we going to put as a positive? What sign we going to put? Plus. Now you done. Keep them close together. Now we still a happy family. I just had to get you. I still love you. Huh? Oh, them children. What you mean? Them your kids. Anytime you got a parent and a distributor and some parentheses, them your kids. It's your duty. It's your duty. Now let me ask you a question. If I said use distributive property to remove the parentheses, what number is outside that parentheses? That's right. If you don't see me, I'm still the one. All right? But what if it was like that out there? What would you put outside now? Yeah. It's going to be a negative 1 times everybody. Okay. Okay. So, on your lesson, you already have